it's Ryan, and you're watching my vlog for this Saturday. For this Tuesday. Now, we're recording this on Saturday because it's Canada's Day, and before we go to a park to watch the fireworks, me and my sister Haley are going to be playing the wet head game, okay? Now, we played this before, but the recordings turned out as a fail, so now we're just going to play the game, so let's play. Alright guys, so I'm going to go first, so let's spin the spinner. Fidget spinner. Alright, pull one pin. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Spin it.
Sideways.
Did you get it?
Nope, nothing.
Woo! It's my turn.
Alright, one pin is down. Couple more to go.
I don't know how much there is.
Alright.
I feel like I'm gonna get wet right now.
Alright, so my sister's gonna put it on.
That's so tight.
And however, and
God.
even if you get wet the first time, that's gonna be the video. So Haley got pull one pin as well. You know.
You didn't even spin yours.
Okay, pull one.
Is it tight?
Yeah, pull one.
Okay, where is it? Okay, good. I didn't get it.
Okay. We have to start again, like some pull two pins or like some reverse, because like one pin is just lame.
I know, but it's still kind of fun because you're gonna get wet. Yeah. We should have done this in bathing suits though.
All right, guys. After I just said that it was lame, I got pulled two pins. Great, love my life. Okay, I'm just gonna do two at the same time. So these two right here, I'm just gonna spin it up real quick. All right, ready? One.
Oh. Ryan!
There's
Ryan,
nothing in there.
There's still more in there.
There's not. What did I say? I said it was a boring video, and this is what I get. Well,
to pull two.
That was a good video. Yep, just pull all of them out. Yep, just pull all of them. Yep, let's pull all of them.
You're gonna lose them, Ryan.
Okay. All right. See you at the park, guys. And this was a clip of Haley getting wet, but the camera failed. So, yeah.
No, thank you.
There you go.
This is for you, Ryan. Oh my God! It's so cold! It's so cold! Oh my God! It's so cold! Ow! Oh my God! It's so cold!
Go to the camera.
It's so cold! Oh my God! My shirt's literally sticking to me.
What up, guys? We're at the fairgrounds, so I'll show you a couple of the bands and the fireworks. Great fireworks. Woo! Crap, that one was so close to hitting like us people. Like me and this person. I don't even know. Titling this fireworks gone wrong. Like, look. Like, that's super close. So I'll tell you guys if I live or not. What's up, guys? It's Ryan, and we just got back from the Milton Fairgrounds. It's a pretty eventful night. We saw deep fried butter. We got spray paint tattoos. I got a Joker. My sister got spray painted love on her on her forearm, and we almost got killed by fireworks. And I will show you guys that footage. But in the meantime, click the subscribe button for us almost getting killed, and smash that like button while you're at it. Let's try getting 10 likes. And you guys, I will see you on Thursday.
Smash that like button!
All right, peace.